we've disappointed in both boxes. The 3 goals are really poor from our point of view. The standards we've set, we've got this football club, we have to defend those better. But then also the other end as well, I think in the first 3 minutes of the second half, we had 4 chances to put the ball in the box and we hit the first man in every single cross. And you can't do that. You can't do that. They didn't do that when they put the ball in the box. They missed the first man. And that's what's frustrated me tonight, is that from 18 to 18, we were good. In both boxes, poor.
It's been a poor start. After the highs of Europe and the performances we did and the work ethic we showed away at Sligo, to then dip our performances, especially the first game again down in Pennybottom, we were really poor that day. And then first half last week as well. So we needed a big reaction today. 3 points is massive for us tonight.
Look, 3 games in, been around the block. I'm not going to overreact. We're disappointed tonight. We don't like losing games of football. But we're 3 games in. There's no overreaction from us. We know we've got a really good group of players. And the good thing is now we've got a game on Tuesday to put it right.